Hello, this is mobilemechanic 757. Now I get down, I get straight to the point. Working on a Toyota Camry. Customers wondering why their Toyota Camry is leaking antifreeze. There's your answer. The radiator is gone with the wind. And one of the things I do is I start looking around where the antifreeze has been splashing. And you can see it's been splashing, and it's also down there. It's also on the battery, and it gives me an indication of where most of the leak is going to be at. It's not always a guaranteed thing, but from visually looking, this radiator is history. This is just a mechanic tip. Always follow their antifreeze. Always follow the antifreeze, and that'll give you a general idea of where the leak is going to be. The customer was told that they need a thermostat. They were told that they needed a water pump. I'm known to replace the water pump, so I know they were lying. They said they need a radiator. So this is just a mechanic tip. Always get a second opinion and always follow the evidence. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.